I am a medical marvel, a medical legend. Morning gang, how we doing? It's me, I'm back. Back to put the fun back into breaking down for people. Right, what we got? Transit. We got transit in Sleaford, needs to go into Sleaford. Quick job. Thought I haven't filmed anything this week. So I was like, right, do you know what? I got a couple of bits to tell you. Now let's take Malcolm along. Get his furry face on the video. The winner has been selected for the reversing camera, and that was Emma White 67. So the 67th of the Emma Whites apparently, but your comment has won the reversing camera. So please send me an email, sleafordrecovery@gmail.com, with your name and address. When you do that, 24 hours later, the camera will be with you. So yeah, I hope everyone's all right. I've had a bit of a rubbish week. My boiler started playing up, and I got his firm out. I hate not being able to fix things, don't you? Like, I generally can fix most things. I will have a go at it, but boilers scare me a little bit, and rightly so. They've got gas in them, and I don't like to mess around with gas. There's not many in my time, I've even dabbled with some explosives. I mean, I sound like a terrorist, don't I? Like, I've dabbled with explosives, but I have been involved with explosives in the past, and they don't scare me, but gas does. Gas and compressed gas is dodgy. Like, even pumping tyres up, I'm like, pressurized gas, inflammable gas, any gas, it's just wrong. But anyway, this guy came out and he did a load of stuff on my boiler, and then 24 hours later it was exactly the same fault. I've just got, like, Wayne. Instead of going to this big firm, off the back of a recommendation, Wayne came round, and Wayne was a legend. And do you know what? For like a quarter of the price, he's totally fixed me boiler. Can't really believe that I didn't find Wayne in the first place. But there we go. Lesson learned. I've now got a decent plumber that I know of. That's some interesting stuff for you on a Friday. I can't really get over it, and I think it's all off the back of the storms. So like Storm Babette, that video. My subscribers have gone up nearly 600 since that video. So I usually go up about 200 a month, which is great. I'm blown away by that. About 200 extra subscribers a month. But this, since Friday, 600 subscribers in like literally 3 days. So that's amazing. I'm blown away. And I can't wait to just keep making content and keep filming stuff. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. If you do want to support the channel, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, I know how many people don't subscribe. If you haven't, then please do. It helps. It's really good. Amazing comments as always. Remember, I reply to all of your comments. So if you want to have a little chat, stick something in the comments. I'm finding out there's a lot of people in Sleaford that are watching this channel now. If you know of a mobile mechanic in Sleaford or in the Sleaford area that is decent, insured, and would be a good person that I could recommend for people, please let me know. Let me know in the comments, because I am desperate for a good mobile mechanic for people. I get asked all the time, and I don't know anyone. I know some good mechanics, but no, they're not mobile. So if you know one, or if you are one, let me know. Okay, we're approaching the roundabout of death now, Holdingham roundabout, and we'll hopefully survive this experience, and then we'll go and get this guy's van. I'll tell you what's really weird. I get one of my eyes steams up and the other one doesn't. What's that about? I feel like my eye is venting off. Like, why would one eye be venting off? I am a medical marvel, a medical legend. But bikes. There's an MT-09. Go on, lad. Up on the back wheel. He didn't do it. No wheelies today, Malcolm. No. Oh no, he was just making the noises. Wow, wow. See you. Stay there, Malcolm. There's the van. was that ride? There's the boys and girls. Mark Spreadbury, I've still got to put your name on there. Don't worry, mate, I haven't forgotten. Just been a little bit busy recently. But you'll get on there. You'll get on there, mate. Don't you worry. You're getting a shout out now, aren't you? PTO is off and winch is off. Shades are on. Go. Right. So just to show you how close this this van is to where it's got to go. This is a nice little turning area for us. I'm literally gonna just film the whole way, and you'll see. But what I'll do, I'll speed it up. I'll speed it up 2 times, right? Twice as fast, just to show you how far it is. We'll see how long it takes. Right, so this is where I picked it up from. So starting from now. Boom, we're here. That was it. That was literally as far as it had to go. But do you know what? He couldn't do it, so I had to do it. How did you get on with that BMW? What? Really? What was up? Gearbox. That's a shame. Oh, that's a shame. I took a BMW there for this lovely bloke. Absolutely lovely gentleman. And he's just said he had to scrap it. That's a shame. Oh well, third times. Right. Let's get this off. Clutch in, PTO on, clutch out. Listen for the noise. You alright there, Mark? You stay there, mate. You stay there. You can't out. You can't out with this one. Come in. It's obviously quite difficult to understand what it is I'm trying to do here. This guy's just parked there. Class. Nice one, mate. Nice one. Got to go down a big curb here. Oh, sorry, Ronnie, sorry. Oh, that was horrible. Right, so cam belt. Cam belt on that bad boy, not cheap. Thousands of pounds. Bit of Cockney rhyming slang. Bag of sand is £1 grand. I don't know why that's relevant to anything. It's going to be a lot more than £1 grand. Yeah, they were. The boys at Sornby came out. They were like, "Did you enjoy your chips the other day?" Chris was like, "I haven't watched that video yet. The one that he gets the big shout out in." It's like, come on, man, up your game. Oh, you'll notice Malcolm's back in his bed with his proper seatbelt on. It also hides the jiggly willy, so you can't see his bits, which I know brings lots of entertainment to people that are about 10 years old or with a mental age of 10. So yeah, nice little easy job. You saw how close it was to where it needed to go. But you know what? You came along, told some stories, we had some fun. We saw Malcolm. Malcolm's had a catch up. You gotta get on the camera, mate. Get on camera. Say hello. See, I never want to be, and I suppose this is a bit of advice. There's a lot of people always like, you know, contact me because they're just starting out on recovery, on their recovery journey. Also, when I'm putting tags in, let's tell that story first. I do this, I get distracted, don't I? For those of you that have been here a while, you know this. People contact me and like I try and give them little bits of advice, and ultimately you've always got to try and look after. Don't ever put yourself in a position where you might damage your car further. So, you know, trying to start it, for example, I didn't really know the issue with that, so I didn't try and start it. If it's unknown, just don't start it, because you could end up causing a lot of damage. And ultimately, Campbell's gone on that. Let's say it's an interference engine. I don't want to bore you, but say it's an interference engine that actually hasn't caused any damage. And you sit there turning the key, the next thing is clack, 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 clack. It's going to be like a valve smoothie in that engine, and it's not going to be good, and you're going to get the blame. They'll go, well, it wasn't like that before you touched it, and then you know, you could be looking at $6,000 for a new engine for that, because you'll have to buy them a new engine. So just don't start it, winch it on, remove it. Bob's your mother's brother. But yeah, when I put things on social media, like TikTok and that, because I started putting videos on TikTok, like little ones, they're only made up of the videos that you see on YouTube. So it's because it's just kind of basically trying to signpost people to my YouTube. You put the hashtag recovery, and it's like 900 billion posts about it, because it means it's like recovery from like drugs or addiction, or like you can do this. I end up, there's like me being a pillar in amongst all these people that are like, I'm on a spiritual journey of recovery and love and laughter and life, and then there's like me, idiot boy in his truck with his dog, stinky dog, ain't you? You're not stinky. I have talked enough crap. We are, bye bye Speedy. So thanks for coming, thanks for joining in. I love having you in my cab, and I will see you on the next one. Much love guys, have a good week.
Don't look before you leave. What you give, you get to keep. So long, farewell, bye bye.